Welcome back. Welcome back to Tortilla Bandits Disc Golf. We are here. I know it was a long off season, but our guys are ready to play. Today we have a Scramble best shot with Ethan and Trey versus me, the cameraman, and Noah. And today we will be playing with OB lines. These will come into play on hole 8. Noah and I are going to go first today.
You're going with a Thunderbird forehand. I suck at this. Here we go.
Ah, great shot.
Here we go.
First time on camera.
Using a destroyer. We're gonna take Noah's. We got Bronze Towers. And we're gonna beat. What?
Chili corn dogs.
Sure, chili corn dog. And we're gonna beat chili hot dog.
Oh, corn dogs. Don't disrespect our name.
Disrespect our name. That's what you get for calling us chili hot dogs.
And Trey really likes to go with forehands. Everyone subscribe to Backpack Productions.
Yeah.
The chili corn dogs land pretty close. Should be a tap-in birdie. Oh! A birdie for the chili corn dogs and a par for the Brahms Towers.
Going river, nice straight all the way up. Right in there. Got a little breeze, hopefully it doesn't screw everything up. That went up. There we go, that's much better. Oh yeah, long putt. Birdie, redo. There you go.
Landed pretty close.
That's good, that dropped out of the sky. My bad, y'all.
What kind of etiquette is that? Good putt.
We're confident he's going to take a birdie here. Oh yeah.
2 under for the chili corn dogs and 1 under for the Brahms Towers.
Alright, basket's way up there. You can either throw a left or right, but there's 2 trees in the middle. Fully in blue here in this nice summer day. Going Thunderbird again, way out to the right, up high, gonna crash down. That looks pretty dang. Never mind, that's a crop. Oh, I lost it. We should still have such. Oh my gosh. Oh, good throw.
I ain't even throw it. I ain't even
Great shot. T-left those for fun. The other one was too good.
Okay, well then we have to go with Gary. Pure.
And we're going to take mine because Noah's went OB. So let's try to get up and down for par.
I'm gonna lay up the pure here, hopefully. Or we're gonna hit the tree straight up.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, that'll do. That will do.
We're actually dumb as flip. My disc was back here and Noah's was right here. It did not go OB at all. Quick little birdie for Brahms Towers.
So
Trey's the burger.
I want to be the burger. God,
Oh, they're fighting over who's the burger. The match is tied at 2 under.
Hey, Beast. Cigar.
Something like that.
I don't have good luck with this disc, but we'll try it.
It's pretty dang good.
Great shot.
Another birdie.
Oh, that's beautiful. Got a putt behind the tree. Let's see if Trey can get it closer.
Can we look?
Okay, we're going stalker misprint.
After that whole thing, let's see if Noah can get me close.
Ah, scared.
I am not throwing.
Oh, there you go.
Yes, I am.
This.
Ace run. Right.
Okay, let's go.
Hey.
Oh. I feel some rain coming. All right, we're 3 under to 3 under through 4.
The burger strikes back.
This is why Cane's is better.
You gotta watch this ice cream now.
Bo, your own teammate.
Oh yeah.
We got strife between teammates.
Alright, we're going trail.
Beautiful.
Come on, Chili. You got it.
Like the chili. Is it because of his shirt?
It's somewhere over there. Might be OB.
It's right on. What are you talking about? Just go. He's messing with you. If I'm OB, that'll do.
And Noah was OB, so we're gonna have to use mine again. I'm a nice safety valve so far, but not really causing fireworks. Oh my gosh. That was very bad.
The right side. Or I'm actually gonna hit the same tree's flare.
Oh, lovely.
Quit rolling that way.
Huh?
I wanna win.
Dang, longest flip.
That's good. That's good. Okay. Well, we got a bit of a tester here, but that's all right because we're gonna make it anyways. So I get this thing off my. That's all right.
$100 on me.
Garrett's making it for show.
Bruh. Let's see if we can minimize the damage. And the bogey gives the Brahms Towers a 1-stroke lead.
Hey, what the flip?
Come back.
And that's in the water.
Let's trace this on the ground.
Hit it.
That's not too bad.
Good freaking putt for birdie. For freaking burger. My bad, his name is Ice Cream. And Chili's gonna look to match him.
Nope, way off. Dang, that hurts.
Noah with a last second disc change.
Same color. I threw it into the tree, so it don't even matter. Alright.
Where's it at though?
Go flat.
I don't know what to record.
Oh, we landed so far away. Oh no.
War shit.
Noah's worshipping the disc golf gods.
Not right now.
He's looking for answers. YOLO, forehand. Way too far, way too right.
We're not doing so good right now. We got a little work to do.
It's okay. I think longest. Quit. It's all about how you perform under the lights. We are not performing well under the lights. Ethan feels the stress to carry.
This hurts to be our par look on a pretty short par 3. But this is what we have. So
Gotta deal with what you got.
we're gonna make it.
Absolutely. Oh, really good try. I'm gonna switch putters.
And he's not gonna throw it low. Hopefully. Yeah, I wouldn't say it was very low at all.
Ooh, right off the top. Let's see if Noah can knock it in for low-key kind of a tester bogey. He did. Noah tries to kill T-Love. The score is now 3 under for Brahms Towers and 1 under for Chili Corn Dogs. He opts for the right side. And Trey opts for the left side. It's somewhere over there.
Paradigm.
Noah's ready for a redemption. Hoila!
Alrighty. Garrett's turn. That's like perfectly invisible from the camera for some reason. But it went somewhere over there. Tilo's for show making this one good. Mark my words. Ethan's zone. See, that's the Tilo's making it with your zone. Good shot.
Follow, flare it.
Flube's version of the zone.
Flube's version of the zone, the Toro. It's over there.
Alright, that was a little bit long. Oh, he's going forehand around. Oh. I didn't mean to zoom in so early. Alright. Maybe this one. Thank you, Garrett. Doing what I can.
For par. Noah has reached madness. Should get a good skip here. Oh, lovely.
Your turn.
The risky line.
The risky line. Right in there. Oh, it looks good. Don't hit anything. Oh, and there it goes. It might have gotten across though, right?
Perhaps. All right. And my risky play did not pay off. We're gonna use Noah's.
Yeah, sock again. This one glows in the dark too.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
There, that's
It also throws pretty well. Let's go.
okay. That's
In the lake.
his goal is to not dang recite it. that's pretty good too.
Pretty good for a while.
Nice for a white guy.
They might try to run this one.
Try to recreate my throw.
You should. In an earlier episode that was not recorded, Trey made a shot from this distance. That is not the case here. Are they gonna make the par at the same time? And we're gonna have to cross this creek later. And through the front 9, it is 3 under to 1 under, and chili corn dogs are down. The Tower of Brahms still has the tee.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Out in the open.
All right, we got a lot of ground to cover, so I'm just gonna throw it through as hard as I can.
All right. More power than the Brahms Tower. Beauty miss.
I got nothing to lose. I'm chucking the square.
Oh yeah. Whoa. That was kind of sick though. Yeah, that was good for some reason.
Holy crap, they're right by each other. Holy crap. T-Love, how do you feel about the match so far?
It's going alright. Still
Okay.
sleepy.
Alright.
Trying to wake up soon.
Okay, gotcha. How about you, Ethan?
I don't know what you asked.
How do you feel about the round so far?
I think Trey's pretty sleepy, but I think we're doing good.
Alright, cool. Noah, how do you feel about the match so far?
I feel like Trey's pretty sleepy, but other than that, I think it's going pretty well.
Okay.
So how do you feel about the match so far?
I think Trey's kind of sleepy, but I think he'll get through it.
Yeah, I mean, I think he can pull through.
Hey,
We're gonna throw the pyro. Super overstable. Last time I threw about 55 feet past the basket.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
We're gonna try not to do that this time.
Okay.
That's a bit of a tester, so you're gonna have to maybe try to get a little bit closer.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you got it.
It's going in the basket.
I believe it. Going in the basket. Check it out. That was actually, a little shorter than I thought it was.
Golly! Gosh dang! I didn't get it in time. Not much to miss. Let's see if they can knock down a birdie. Little right. Oh, great putt. Absolutely massive birdie putt here to keep pace with the other team. Oh, okay. Don't do it to him!
Don't do it! Oh, it's done it. Alright, T-Love.
Oh, there it is. Holy crap. Trey's got to stay far right, like Donald Trump.
There you go.
Peter Piper picked a pick of
Let's trail
pebbles.
again.
Pebbles.
You tell I like this fish.
Fruity pebbles. T-Love is awestruck.
Dang it! Okay, that's
Pretty good.
I'm gonna recreate Jenkins' famous throw. Dang.
Brahms Towers has a tough decision to make. Trey, which way do you think you're gonna go?
I'm gonna go straight there.
Okay, tight gap. Let's see if you can do it. Buh!
Rolling back around.
Holy crap! Pretty good. I lied. That ain't pretty good. What the? No wind up or anything. It worked though.
Alright, we're gonna split this little bit gap here. It's gotta go in.
Ooh. Ooh. Yes.
I don't want to be Simpsons.
Yes, I freaking want to be Bart.
So you want to be Simpson for Halloween?
He's gonna be Brain Simpson. That's not a character, my bad.
Who you gonna be?
Family Guy expert.
I'm gonna be
Wait, Family Guy, The Simpsons.
I did that too. I said Brain. Dang, Brian.
Family Guy is my favorite show ever.
He's capping.
Behind Friends, Friday Night Lights, Breaking Bad, Clifford.
All right.
What they doing?
Whoa. That was kind of sick though.
Do y'all think he low-key got this or nah? Remember to comment if you like big fat chili. Booyah! Score is 4 under, 2 under.
80s.
'80s like the music. Where'd the flip? Oh, there it is.
It's across.
Nice. I beg your finest pardon. Golly.
Guess what it is? Alright, I'm gonna try and hit a real line this time.
Leave a like if you like toenail clippings. Toenail clippings.
I hit my side. Ow.
Holy crap! It's in the water.
Ow.
Y'all quit laughing at his pain. Right now. I didn't. I'm just trying to get it over so that we don't have to throw it in the water.
Please do. I would call that definitely over. Well done.
Noah's poor little disc here. He's gonna go fish for it.
I'm gonna stick these with plugs.
Hey, he got it though.
Someone bring me my bag. My towel. Did you record this whole thing?
Yup. This one either. Hello. I'm gonna knock this one in. Flew. I'm a little teacup, short and stout. We freaking gotta make this.
No beans. That's right, because Flair got me for real. That was cold. The walk away, he knows he did that.
The chili chili corn dogs close the gap.
We're down one, but we still got the tea.
On jaw.
Too much high. That's okay, it's down there. Whoa! I didn't know it was going on vacation. Destroyer. Destroyer. I just met Destroyer. Destroyer. I barely know her.
He's calling this the miracle shot. Miracle for us, maybe.
I don't know if I should lay this up, or if I should really try to spike forehand it. What do you think?
Do you trust me to lay it up?
Yeah, I trust you to lay it up.
Okay, go
Do
for
that
it.
first.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, that was actually pretty
Alrighty. I better lay it up nice and
All right, I missed, but obviously. Yeah, that'll do. That's cool. And there goes Ethan. He hit the top. I don't think he cares about being in the video anymore. Low key. But. No way! Oh my gosh.
More ship, here we go.
Oh, great shot. My goodness. Fantastic.
All right.
Watch this.
Just throw something up there.
Oh no.
Oh, there it went.
Another good shot.
Hey, nice.
You doubt us?
T-Love tries the flare it line.
Hey.
And after this hole, it should be a tie game with about 4 holes left. Majestic ended. Hola! Oh, Noah is absolutely parked, and he's gonna take the birdie to tie it up, 300 to 3 under.
Ready?
Yep.
All right.
That was majestic.
Come back. Bang. All right. I have no clue where that went. All right, T-Love's up. Roller.
You going to the other 2 kayak?
Dang.
Holy crap. Holy crap. Hi, love.
Alright, we got a tough putt through the trees here. A tree for some reason. Hey! Didn't even have to lay it up.
And the chili corn dogs take the lead with 3 holes left.
Okay, once again, we're throwing the trail. It's like this is the only thing I own.
We like those. Ah, it's okay.
I'm gonna go for the high risk, high reward. What's that? Ah!
Dang.
Ah! No way.
Dang.
Get on it.
Hey, there you go.
Do y'all like chunky chili or smooth chili the most?
Way too low. Dang. Okay, sit still, please. Dang. Whoa. Here goes Ethan. Oh.
And with 2 holes remaining, we'd like to thank our sponsors.
One of the longer holes on the course, par 4. Only compare.
Spectacular.
That'll do it, huh?
Bruh.
Here goes Garrett. Oh. Hey, you made Mando.
And that's OB.
Jay.
Oh, you got saved by the tree. No!
Alright, we're gonna do a really long jump cut here.
Gotta get this one close. That's fantastic. Beautiful.
Alright, what are we throwing? Destroyer.
I'm running it.
Oh shoot. Watch out, Trey. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, we have to find T-Love zone in there anyways, so.
The star frame there makes it 5 under to 4 under. And we're down to the last hole. Let's see if Noah has the clutch gene.
Big Mando, here we go.
That might be able to do it.
I'm trying to end this game.
Let's see it. Hey, that'll do.
There is no way.
You keep doing that.
Oh.
And the last drive for a team trying to come back. They need a miracle. Fantastic shot, rough kick. They're gonna have to make that one. And this is the shot they have to make to tie it up at minimum. What a putt! And that'll tie it up if they can't make this one. Noah, for the win.
That ain't fair, they pooted. Hey, on the beat drop. Damn. No!